Video is going to talk about the learning modules folder with here, that's where I am right now, and about your first week's assignment. So this will tell you kind of what you can do as soon as you stop watching this video. So this is where most of our course information will be. Every week you need to open the folder and do the work in order. So when we open the week 1 folder, we can see some information about this week of May 23. So we see our topics and objectives. We will understand the course requirements and expectations, learn about the writing process, cause essays, outlines, and parts of the essay, outline and draft at-home essay 1, and learn about subject-verb agreement. So then we have our module activities. First, you need to review the syllabus and schedule video, which I think you already did, and then you will begin by watching some videos: pre-writing, essay example and outline, thesis statements, cause essays, and parts of the essay. So there's a lot of videos there, and I'm going to show you them in a minute. We will have this week a question and answer session. So I'm going to hold that session on Monday, the first day of class, May 23, from 11 to 12 on WebEx, and there's the link. If you can't attend, no problem at all. This isn't like the regular meeting time. This is just one time on the first day to try to meet you and see if you have any questions. And we will talk a little bit more maybe about what other good meeting times are. Next week, the week of May 30th, I will also have individual meetings. So I'll provide you a link for those individual meetings, and you can sign up for morning, afternoon, or evening, and all different days. This week I'll also be in my office at Harper College on Wednesday from 10:30 to 11:30, and that's D151C, so you're welcome to stop by if you would like to ask any questions or talk in person. So you can also see here our module assignments. So now let's go ahead and look at our module activities and our module assignments to get started. So first we have our module activities. So like I said, these are a lot of videos for the first week because you're really learning all the basics of how to write an essay. Summer class moves very quickly because we only have the 10 weeks. So if you are coming from Writing 4 or another ESL writing class, you probably have learned some of this before. You should still review it. It's not even that long. But if you're new, I am teaching you step by step how to do each step in the writing process. So you're watching these videos just like you would listen to me if we were in the classroom and I was teaching you or lecturing you or explaining to you how to do something. Okay? Everything in the activities folder, you do not need to turn anything in. Sometimes there's documents attached. That's just for your information. You don't have to do anything with it. But everything that you have to turn in is in the assignments folder. So first, you're going to start by watching these videos. There's I predicted the time for each one just so you can plan your time a little bit better. And here, after the first 4 items, I have a little break. I'm suggesting that you go to the assignments and work on your assignment of making an outline for your essay. That would be a good time to do it, and then come back and watch a few more videos about introductions, conclusions, and body paragraphs, and then you go on to the assignments and write the complete essay. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's go ahead and look over at the assignments too. So we go back to week 1 in order to do that. Then we will also scroll down so that we were in the activities, now we're in the assignments. Which are here. So you have 4 assignments. The first is a discussion board with your personal introduction. I think that will take about 20 or 25 minutes. So you're going to tell your name, country, languages, or any information about yourself. I have a very short video about trying something new for 30 days. It's kind of fun. It's a TED Talk. And I want you to write another paragraph on the same discussion board about what could you do for 30 days to help you with your English or your writing, and what is something you could do for 30 days to help you in another area of your life. After you post, you can also reply to 2 or more of your classmates. So that is the first assignment. The second assignment is to make an outline. So you're going to learn in the videos how to make an outline, and this is where you would submit the outline. This one says complete and turn in. This one you're just looking for ideas and you don't have to turn it in. So there's 2 essay topics here. You need to choose one and you make an outline. So here's an example outline. Okay, and that's what you're going to be doing this page. An outline is like the skeleton of an essay, like just the bones, just the beginning part. And then number 3 is the complete essay. Okay, so that's going to have an introduction, thesis, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Okay, so that's going to take you at least 2 or 3 hours to complete. So, I mean, during the summer session, each week there could be probably, if we were meeting in person, we would be meeting like 3 hours a day, 2 days a week, 6 hours plus more. So there could be like 8 or 9 hours of work per week, really. That's what we want to think about. So, but it might be less than that, but I just want you to know, it's not like a fast thing. To write an essay takes 2 or 3 hours. That's just the way it is. Okay, then we do have our first grammar lesson here, which is about subject-verb agreement. So these are 2 of similar documents. One is PDF and one is Doc. You choose which is easier for you to work with, and then you open that and complete it and turn it in. So just a real quick view of how to turn things in. Let's say I wanted to turn in this editing assignment, but it would be the same for the other, like the essay or the outline or anything like that. I just click on it. I can see the assignment. I click Browse Local Files. And then I would look through to see where my file is, wherever I saved it. Okay, and I don't know, but just click whatever you save, and then it will be attached, and you would click submit. So I'm not actually doing that, I'm just canceling it, just letting you know how to do that. Okay, so this is our plan for week 1 in the learning modules. I'm hoping that I will get to see some of you either online or on campus May 23 or May 25. If not, hopefully I'll see you for individual conferences during the week of May 30th. But if you have any questions, you can always email me, let me know, communicate with me so that I can clarify and answer any questions. Okay, great. Good luck with your work. Thanks.